Hi everyone! Let's install the latest version of Microsoft Office, which is Office 2024. To do so, first open any browser and search Office Customization Tools and click on the first link. Then choose your architecture type of your system. Then in the product choose the latest version of Microsoft Office, which is Office ltsc Professional Plus 2024. Then select the Visio and project if you want, then choose the apps which you want to keep with the Office. Then click on Next. Now in the language section, choose your default language. You can also choose the additional language if you want. Then left all others setting to the default. In the Update and Upgrade section, turn off this setting, then left all other setting to their default, and finally click on Finish. Now, click on the Export button located in the upper right corner of the screen and choose Office Open XML format. Accept the terms and conditions and download the file in a new folder. Now open a new tab and search Office Deployment Tool and click on the first link and download the tool. Once done, run the Office Deployment Tool as administrator. Accept the terms and then choose the folder where you save the XML file and hit Enter. The required file got extracted in the folder. Now move the folder in C drive and copy its path location. Now open Command Prompt and run it as administrator and type CD and paste the path location and hit Enter. Then, type the command as shown in the video and hit Enter. And after a few seconds, Office 2024 Professional Plus started downloading. It takes some time to download and install the Office based on your internet speed and PC specs. So let's fast forward, and after it got successfully downloaded, let's check is it Office 2024 Professional Plus or not. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing videos.